Hello guys, welcome to my second vlog, 7 things I'm bad at. As you can see, I'm wearing a hood today because Lumi said she expected me to be seen in some kind of LARP. I actually had to look that up. I've never done live action roleplay, and that's probably because I'm very bad at improv. I'm the kind of person who really likes to decide everything, and everything has to fit together. So other people's impulses are kind of annoying to me. Like, I'm in a theater group, so we do improv regularly, and we'll be in this cave, like Aladdin cave, and I'll be playing the genie, and I'll be saying, "Oh, what's that?" And my partner will say, "Oh, is it a spaceship?" And I'll be like, "What?" One of the biggest obstacles I have in life is numbers. If it's a number with more than 3 digits, I'll have to actually focus on it. Something as simple as year numbers. I can't do that. If someone tells me it was in the year something something, I actually have to focus and think about what year that is. And apparently I get this empty look in my eyes because I'm concentrating so hard. But yeah, numbers and me, we don't work. I lived a lot of different. One of the things I'm bad at is MMOs like World of Warcraft, or right now I'm playing Star Wars. Yeah, the thing I'm bad at is, it's again with the numbers. The stats and the damage output, and there's just so much and it's so advanced. I don't get it, so I just end up asking people, which one is better? Is this better? Is this better? Feel kinda like a monkey sometimes, but nah. Been different people many times. Some of you may have noticed that I'm not the most patient of people. I hate waiting, so even when I have to wait for other people to post on the forum, I get, I don't know, frustrated. Even though sometimes I'm the one other people are waiting for. So it's kind of a double standard. I hope I don't act too much on it, but I really get frustrated when I have to wait. I hate it. I'll live my life in bitterness. I am terrible at living healthy. I have such a sweet tooth that, I don't know, most people are kind of amazed. I will drink lots of soda and eat chocolate almost every day, and yeah, won't eat the proper breakfast that I should eat. And like today, I stood up and I ate 3 Cheerios and a glass of cola. And then at 3 o'clock I ate, regular food. I ate some beef sandwiches. And now I am eating chocolate and drinking soda again. Yeah, so it's kind of bad too because I'm diabetic. But I don't know. It's not gonna control anything. But it's not like I'm fat or anything. I'm kinda on the edge of being underweight. But it's still not healthy. So I started trying to work out for a long time, in like, I don't know, 5 years since I've been to the gym. And it's so bad that I actually threw up the first time. And I was like, you don't actually throw up, that's just something that happens in movies. But no, I threw up the first time. It was bad. I'm filling my heart with emptiness. I am deadly afraid of spiders. There is nothing that could inspire fear like that in me. I think there should be like a filter, kind of like you don't show porn on the TV, so you don't show spiders either, because it's just scary and makes me have nightmares. Um, yeah, no. I think maybe like you know how Google kind of have that filter that so porn sites don't just pop up in your face. I think that should be the same thing with spiders. Because I was trying to look for a reference to draw Pikachu, but I wanted a real mouse as a reference. And I got these million pictures of spiders eating mice. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see spiders, especially not so large that I can see the evil in their eyes. I don't care what people say, dentists, they're just cruel, sadistic beings. I know, I never liked them, but that might be because when I was little, I had one of my milk teeth had this huge hole in it, so they had to take it out, and it took them 4 dentists to hold me down. I was 6, by the way. 4 dentists to hold me down and 1 to take the tool thing to grab the tooth and pull, and he just couldn't get it out, and it took them an hour where they were fighting with me. I was fighting off 4 dentists plus the tool thing for an hour, and finally I just kind of got loose from 2 of the dentists, and I took the tool and I just jerked so hard that I pulled my own tooth out just to get the tool away. So ever since that, I can feel my stomach turn to nuts whenever I have to go to the dentist. So maybe I should drink less soda, but yeah, you know. I actually haven't been to the dentist since I was 18. That's 4 years now. Yeah. Maybe I should just go get a checkup soon. Probably won't happen until something hurts.
Now I see it for the first time.
I hope you enjoyed.